Ladies, are you sick of always asking your husband to open jars for you? Well, then get yourself this Uinxan, I think I'm saying it right, jar opener. Let's see how it works. First of all, you can see that it's really sturdy plastic, and it's got, this is more for like bottle tops, and this is for wider jars, and there's like some really nice grippy teeth in here. So let's open some pickles or something and see how it works. Okay, so here we have a jar from the fridge I cannot open in a brand new jar, and we'll see how it works. So you slide it on, and the teeth are on the left. So you're gonna turn it to the right. Yeah, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Yes, we're gonna go. Oh, look at that. Came right off. Now let's see the real test. The brand new jar. We'll see what this one. So, looks like it's too small for the larger, so we'll do it on the top. Let's see. Oh, look at that. Took a little bit more power, but got right open. It works. You just have to remember to go this way. Put it on and go this way, and it's gonna work great for you, I think.